Hello, it's Maria here to help you learn about accordion FAQ questions today. And this little module is going to be using X Pro theme instead of just the normal X, which means we're using Cornerstone. So right now I have a page up that can show you what the FAQ questions will look like once we have them put into the page. And what they do is they just drop open so you can see the answers. Okay, so let's go see how to add these to your page. We go to your page in Cornerstone. So you will go to your editor, click on the page that you want to edit, and then click Edit in Cornerstone. And you will see your editor looks just like this. So here's just some normal text. And down here I have an accordion already added. So this is what you saw earlier, but I think we can add another set. So I'm going to click on this little icon up here where we can see all of the sections or the grids of our pages, and we're going to add another section. So now we have a brand new blank section. We're going to click the row, and then we're going to click just one column. And now we have this empty column just waiting for an element. So we'll go to the element and we will just start typing accordion, and you can see that it will pull up and it will have two sample accordions in there that we can edit. So the first one, we look at it, we can see if we click on the top part that we can click to edit over here, and it's called the header, and that's actually our question. So this is our question, and it's in a rich text editor. So if we want to make it bold, we can do that. If we want to add color, we can add color to it. Maybe we want it to be this pretty periwinkle blue. And now we have our question. Now to set up the answer, we can click on it and click on the text down here, and we get another text editing box, edit text. Click on that, and here is our content. This is the answer to our question. Again, we can just bold maybe one word. We maybe just want to add a little color to just part of it. We have full editing capabilities here. All right, so we got all kinds of things done in there. We close it shut, and now we have our question and our answer, and you can flip it open and closed just like an accordion. So if we look, oh, one thing I need to show you is how to add more of these boxes. I like to click in between them, because if you click around it, it takes you, like, here's our row, here's our section, but we want to get inside of our accordion. So if you click in between two boxes, you can see over here that this is our first box and this is our second box that has not been edited yet. We want to add a third box, so we're going to click Add Element. And we are going to add the first one, which is an accordion item. And now we have a third one, and we can edit it the same way. Click on the top, and we can click to edit text. This is our third question. And close. And then we can edit the answer to the question. This is the answer. And we can close that. And we can now save our page. And let's go look and see what this looks like. So we're just going to reload the page, and you should see our new boxes added right here. They are, and we can drop them down. Perfect. We can go back to our editor, and let's say we would like to add an image to this question. And this is what an image will look like up here. Look at that cute little doggy. We're going to add another cute little doggy to this one. So I'm just clicking on the answer and edit text. and I'll put in a return, and then here's the little image icon. Oh gosh, which one to choose? We'll have the one with the pink boots. And it's nice to add alt text and a title to all of our images. And you can see that's already in there. Then we click insert into post. We now have a dog in boots, but it's a very large dog in boots. And we can edit it this way in the rich text editor if we want, but it only gives us limited options onto sizing it. So we're going to venture into the HTML code. Whoa, here we go. So this right here is our image, but we have full control now that we're in the code. And what we can do is just scrap all of this after the width. We don't need any of this. So I'm highlighting it and deleting it. And you can see the width now is set to 1200 pixels, which is really quite large for the accordion. So let's maybe set it to 400 pixels. And you can see that it got smaller. So we'll close that box. And we now have an image. We're going to click save. And we'll go back and look at it on the front end of the site. We'll reload the page. And we click to open, and here is our dog in pink boots. So that is how you can add an accordion to Cornerstone to your page. I think it is beneficial to add it in its own section over here like we did. And you can see all of the pieces are in here. When you're in this mode of viewing it, you can also click on any of the boxes that you want to edit and click on the magnifying glass. And it takes you right into the editor for that very specific element. Why we want to add FAQs to our web pages, I think it's really good for AI to start to find some of the content. And it speaks in a language that the AI understands. It's just normal human language, very simple. And the question is very specific to maybe what somebody might be asking AI. And then the answer is just in clear human language, which is what the AI speaks in. And so it understands it, it can collect it, and then it can refer to your website when people might ask that same question. What we want to avoid are questions about who is the best blah blah blah. So I would never, say on my page, who's the best web designer? And then the answer would be, well, for sure Via Maria, because she does really cute things. That's not going to fly. AI is a little smart about the salesy stuff, and so you want to actually offer legit questions that offer valid information. And so a question that I might put on my website is, how does Via Maria build websites? And then the answer would be using X Theme in WordPress. And that actually gives real information. And so that's the best way to get found. So I would love for you to venture into this and see if you can add some accordions to a page or two on your site, and let me know how it goes.